to cure the body. Nature is everything. Respect nature, because nature is the cure for your health. A lot of people thinking, oh, it's too cold, I'm not gonna get out, I'm not gonna go outside and get fresh air and all this thing. My friend, it's cold and you're gonna sit inside of your house. It's up to you. Okay, go outside and get the nature. Even 5 minutes, it's gonna be a big impact to your body. Okay? Remember, nature is the life. Energy movement. Always. You see, when the weather is cold, you see what happened to the trees? All the trees are dying. Even it tells you the trees are dying. So as a black people, like where we coming from is a hot place. Our body belongs to hot. So if you come to the cold place like this, and you chopping all the fufu and the kenke and you don't keep yourself active, one day your body will be like the tree. Okay, so please, nature tells you so many things, but believe me, if your eyes is closed, if you don't go through in life, you won't see what nature can do for you. Nature is a cure. Okay, a lot of things tells you. Birds tells you, a lot of creatures, they tells you so many things, what is going on, what nature can do for you. So that's why I always use nature is a cure for everything. Okay, please, I know where I'm coming from. If I don't know where I'm coming from, I'm not gonna share this message to you. All right, so please remember, nature is the king of life, and nature, if you respect nature, nature will build you up, because natures, they want you to use your brain, but sometimes your brain is dead because you don't know what is going on, especially if you come to a country like this, a country that they brainwash you, you don't know what is going on. Life, okay, by the time you wake up, your life is finished. So please remember, respect nature, and nature will cure you.